Hey! Get out of it!
The future has become all too inevitable. At least I got the mucus aid. Where the hell am I?
Yeah. I guess I should have taken that left turn at Albuquerque.
I suppose I'd better ask directions. Excuse me, do you know where Calypso's Magic Emporium is? Simple no would have sufficed.
All done, Captain.
Did you tie him up good and tight?
I used an iron chain, Captain.
Good, good. Better go and hoist the mainsail then.
It's already hoisted, Captain. Otherwise we wouldn't be moving, Captain.
Already hoisted, you say?
Yes, Captain.
Sure?
Yes, Captain.
What about the timbers?
What about 'em, Captain?
Have they been shivered?
Done, Captain. Sort out myself, Captain.
Well, I suppose you'd better go off and do some mating now.
Thank you, Captain.
Righty, landlubbers.